Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from SupFire. Now this here is their M20. Now I was sent this by Flashlight brand. Now they do have their own website. They are an authorized seller on all their products that they sell. They wanted me to test and review this light, also to bring a little more traffic to their website, and also to showcase a few lights that they wanted to bring a little more traffic to. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in it. Now you do get one page printout, pretty straightforward on how to use the light, of course. Now my understanding, this is running 4 18650s and they are 2600 milliamps each, so a little over 10,000 milliamp of power. That's all there is to here. Now another thing I want to bring up is my very first light I've ever tested of SupFire, so it'll be interesting to see that. One USB Type-C charging, so you do get the rapid charging capabilities on that because this light has 4 batteries in it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Now it does have a semi-gloss finish. It does have a clip on here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Easily hang that on your side, on your belt or pocket. Hang it inside. It's a little bit thicker light. It's not impossible. Can table stand that if you need. Now, no real heat sinking on this light, and I've actually seen this style and design before. Easy to carry. Now there is no knurling on it, so the potential of sliding out of your hand is there. And one other thing, you can put a lanyard through the clip, otherwise there's no lanyard hole on this. And here's the charging port there. Now this also has the built-in power bank feature. It's another neat little concept. Now the style and design on this is nice, and with that an almost square design. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. Not seeing any issues. Side switch here, there is a battery level indicator on that as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the 4 smooth reflectors. Now these are the Chinese P50 LEDs. Now normally I would open it up and show you the insides, including the battery and the spring, but this is a sealed unit. So let's go straight to the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Simply click that on. See the battery level indicator there. Got good battery power. Now this is a cool white. Simply click on the side switch. Now the button is a little difficult to push in, which is a good thing, so you don't accidentally turn it on. Less likely, that is. Again, we'll turn it back on, go through those light outputs, and then shuts off. Now with this light, you can, from off, you can double click to get the highest output, 6,000 lumens. That is bright, especially in the cool white. Yeah, a lot of lumens. Then of course it'll drop back down to the bottom of that UI and then go back up and then shut off. Now from off or on in the UI, you can, we're going to do this both ways. From off you can double click to get turbo, double click again will get you strobe. And that is a little slow on the flash, but it is constant. And simply clicking that one time will go back down to the last light output that you had it on. This does have memory mode. Want to hold it there, press and hold it, turn it off, turn it back on, goes back to the last light output that you had it on. So it's simple and easy to operate, and it is bright, it is cool white, but you're going to get the highest output in lumens with that color. So feels solid. I'm not too sure about the ruggedness of it because I've never tested any of these lights before. This is my very first, and this one does feel pretty good. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this M20 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the SupFire M20. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout 35 feet from where I'm standing, and you can see this is more of a floody beam. 65 feet to this tree here, all coming from this light. Good battery power. There's the beam on the fence, kind of give you an idea. And this light output right here is plenty for just about anything you're going to need casual use. Now it is making the tree of life. It's 138 feet from where I'm standing. Give you an idea here. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. A little jump there. Real nice. Wide beam. Now if you have any questions about distances, you can find that link below any one of my videos. That looks really good there. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Now this says that it puts out 6,000 lumens. It is making it across the park there to the playgrounds. So that is impressive. Still got good battery power. Can use this as a power bank as well. Now it doesn't have huge amount of throw, but it is making 138 feet there to the tree of life. And it is faintly making 238 feet. So you've got at least that amount usable with this beam. Before and after here. cold out here, and the wind chill's bird cold. We'll do a beam profile over here, tree line, fence line, behind my hand and up and over. Again, this is my very first time reviewing their product. It turned out really good. Nice beam, floody. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did pretty good. It's got a nice beam quality on this. 6,000 lumens is plenty bright, but even on the lower settings, you're getting a lot of light output on here, so that can be beneficial if you're needing to see a large area at once. It's going to be ideal for you. Need something that's relatively compact and be able to carry this. As far as the UI is concerned, it is easy, nothing difficult. The button here is stiff, so it's nice, so you're not going to accidentally hit it to turn it on, because there's actually a little ring here around this button, so you can't hit it to possibly accidentally turning that on. And I've tried doing it several times. I mean, you literally got to be right in the middle on that in order to be able to turn that light on and off. So if you are wearing gloves, this is probably going to be difficult. But this is more of a casual carry light, in my opinion. I think it's more geared towards someone just needing a light around the house or outdoors. Maybe some adventure seeking if you have it. Definitely is a good quality light overall. And again, this is my very first one I've tested, so hopefully I'll be able to get some more in the future. Alright, well, I want to thank Flashlight Brand for sending me this M20 from SupFire to review. Now, this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in the box. I will leave a link down in the description to their website. Also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, I will leave that there as well. And that should help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from SupFire to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.